All right, let's go take a look at 428. This is a vacant apartment, and let's see inside just kind of what the view is like and what it looks like. So this is not a model, there's no furniture, it's just vacant, and it is available. So let's turn on some lights and take a look. Oh, nice. Okay, so this is a full bath over here. Great, wow, great amount of space over there for a bath. And beautiful, oh, beautiful. I like it. I like the tile in here. That's a great shower. Awesome, with a great tub too. Let's see, let's look in here. That's more the water closet. This is, okay, cool. This is wow, lots of shelves in this closet. That's very, very cool. This is, I'm guessing this is their one bedroom. Let's turn on the lights. And nice. Okay, so this is cool because it looks like it has a dimmer, kind of a dimmer light. Yeah, it is a dimmer. Ooh, very, very cool. So some good space in here. And then the closet is in there, and that's a good space in the closet as well. Let's get some light in here so you can see it. Yeah, good space in here too. So this is a great one bedroom with a lot of closet space. And this is a cool one bedroom, definitely. And then, by the way, there is a little, very, very little top, little opening for a light. So that really helps with the light. But did you notice this? This actually is a barn door that closes on this. So I like that barn door. That barn door look is very, very cool. So it totally closes over it, just it's kind of a different way to do it. And I like it. Here is, yeah, this is a lot of space to work with. So you've got a really wide open space. You've got a lot of window and a lot of natural light. So this is all really, really pretty. I like it a lot. And then you've got a decent sized kitchen as well. Let's check that out. So, wow, nice kitchen. This is a good countertop and with an overhang, so you could put 2, maybe 3 chairs in here. You've got huge walls to put TVs, dressers, couches. Really have a lot to work with, so great one bedroom. Really, really pretty inside the kitchen. It matches, what's in the other kitchens. Pretty countertops in here. These light, kind of medium brown countertops, they really are cool. I'm seeing them more and more, so I think that color is just more and more in. It's very, very cool. And really, really nice. I like it. I like it a lot. And by the way, this is all hardwoods throughout. So the kitchen, living room, in here too. The only thing I think I noticed was in the bedroom that had carpet, but that was it. So nice one bedroom. Really, really nice. Plenty of light. Oh, look at these fans. These fans are so cool. I absolutely love those fans. I like those 3 blades. They're just really, really kind of cool and chic to me. So nice. Okay, that's the one bedroom available unit. And I think it'd be a really, really great one bedroom.